How to use the Wing Chun Ring. In this Wing Chun lesson, I'll teach the only way I can recommend to train the Wing Chun Ring. What's so cool about it is that it solves a long-standing problem with Wing Chun Ring training, which prevents many people from training it. And on top of that, it helps a student develop both elbow structure and relaxed, active hands. What should the Wing Chun Ring be made of? It's really up to your individual preference, but the Wing Chun Ring can be made of rattan, other types of wood, metal, or plastic. What size should a ring be? A ring can be anywhere from half the size of your forearm to the full size of your forearm, or somewhere in between. For my students, I recommend a ring between 8 to 9 inches.
All right, today we're going to talk about the Dragon Family Wing Chun Ring training that we do. This has been passed down from my Sifu and his Sifu, and it's different than other types of ring training. In fact, for many, many years, the Wing Chun rings, we were against using them. Why? Well, because forward energy and precision to the center is so important in our practice. And the ring training that we had experienced previously from other lines of Wing Chun was spreading the energy outward. Creating kind of like an accordion energy that just creates a muscle memory that isn't what we want for good Wing Chun. In Wing Chun, we want everything that wedges in, okay? Well, as we went along, my Sigung came up with this type of training for your ring. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hold our elbows together. Some of you may not be able to touch your elbows, but you take your funny bone and you put your elbows together, okay? Then what I want you to do is I want you to have your hand up and your other hand down. So you see this. Notice that it's not close to your body. It's away from your body as your elbows are together. And then from there, what you're gonna do is you're gonna come around to the other side. As you do this, you're trying your best to maintain those elbows together, all right? Keep those elbows together as we go. Forward and around, forward and around. You're gonna feel a simultaneously coming in, an adduction from these elbows coming in. And at the same time, a hands going out. So why is that different than the other versions where they're just out here? Well, because the delts themselves the muscles aren't pulling apart without coming in. If you cannot touch your elbows together, then fine, take something. Take something and hold it in between. And it's fine, you can hold this in between as you go around and try to stabilize these elbows on the ring as well. Stabilizing it here, holding it in the funny bones. The funny bones are located right here. Holding that between the funny bones. Don't go and hold it up here, okay? Hold it in the funny bones and then come across.
The benefits of training the Wing Chun Ring this way.
So this teaches what we refer to in our lineage as independence. Independence, what the hell does that mean? Independence of being able to do one thing with your hands, having mobility with the hands while having stability with the elbows and the shoulders. This really is something that we develop in our line of Wing Chun, keeping a nice strong, we do this in Sun Nim Tao too, keeping a nice strong elbow, shoulder, and then maintaining the elbow, the immovable elbow, as we can do all kinds of different things with the hand, maintaining this fixed position. Now, how could you apply this? Well, on the dummy, you see, if I'm here like this, I could pivot and apply it to come to the outside, right? I could also do the reverse of that. Come in and apply here. Then I could palm strike, or here, palm strike on the outside. But it all has to do with maintaining this fixed elbow during the transitions of this. So it helps what we call a jiao sao, which comes around keeping this elbow stable. I'm Sifu Adam Willis. If you are looking for online lessons, I have a 90-day Wing Chun course for beginners at wingchunlessons.com. Feel free to check that out, and until next time, thank you much. If you're having trouble really bringing those elbows in together, the stretch that I teach, which I've shown in other things, is the tan sao stretch. Simple tan sao stretch, tan, around, grab, come down, and extend. Extend as much as you can. You can even grab your thumb and extend. Keep yourself here as you're doing this practice. It'll help. Try to pull it down too. Don't just do this. Come down.